Now let me share with you the perfect reputation marketing strategy. Now I'm going to show you something really cool and let you see how we're going to take your business to new levels by showing you our proprietary reputation marketing process. You ready? Okay. We have two ways to gather in reviews about your company so that we can then market those reviews for you. Step one is our graphics and programming departments working together create a custom feedback form for you that we place online. Our graphics team creates that feedback form to match the look and feel of your website for branding purposes. Here, let me show you one so you can take a look. Here's one from our customers' websites. They're a forklift certification company in Anaheim, California. Now you see the colors and the images? Okay, now here's their custom feedback form. See the colors and the images there? Look at how we're building their brand. And we'll do the same for you too. Now the main purpose of our new online feedback form is so we can get your existing customers to complete a review about your company, your service, or your products that they've already bought from you. It's their endorsement. It's an independent review saying that you can be trusted. This is always extremely successful and brings back a lot of positive reviews. Now here's step number two. You'll remember how earlier we talked about how important it is to have somebody constantly monitoring the internet, looking for any new reviews posted about you online? Well, that's step number two. This is where our staff constantly monitors over 74 different sites online so that when 2 or 3 hours of anybody leaving a review online, we immediately notify you. So for example, let's say someone goes online and leaves a message or review online that says, "Incredible service, I highly recommend them, they're always on time." Well, we will capture that review by someone leaving it in our custom feedback page, or our constant monitoring of the internet is where we'll also pick it up and see it. Either way, those reviews go to our team and our staff. With our services, what we do is we create monthly reports for you. As we monitor top local directories, we know every day if and when any type of reviews come in. Then for statistical analysis, we take your recent reviews and compare them against various prior time periods so you can easily track and monitor the success of how your business is growing online from your online reputation. Now what happens when someone leaves a 4 or 5-star positive review, our proprietary system will ask the reviewer right at the time that they're leaving the review if they would take a quick minute to copy and paste their positive review also directly into Google, Yelp, or Facebook for the whole world to see. So not only do we get the positive review into our system, but it also posts directly into your Yelp or Google by the reviewer themselves, all automatically. It's extremely powerful and sends out a positive review that has amazing influence upon their people and on Google. In addition to redirecting your positive customers to leave those 4 and 5-star reviews online, our system will automatically take those positive reviews and immediately upload them to your website for the world to see. So when someone is referred to you and they go to visit your website, they will see all these amazing reviews about you, and then what happens? That's right, Psychographics kicks in, and they now feel comfortable to call you. And then wham, you've got a hot positive prospect right on the phone. Isn't that great? But it gets even better because we also market your positive reviews to your local social media sites. We take the reviews and our team will put them on your Facebook, LinkedIn, your Google+, and even Twitter. And there's more, because our team will also immortalize every single 4 and 5-star review and create beautiful, professionally designed graphics out of them in colors that match your website, so we're still doing some branding for you. And we'll take those images and we'll post them to sites like Pinterest, Flickr, and Foursquare, where they could even go viral. Because in today's marketplace, everybody looks and stops on images. So you can see we're posting all over the social media, so no matter where someone goes, they find you as the trusted market leader. And that's where your sales start to jump from all the new businesses that comes in. But wait, you say you don't have all these sites. Well, guess what? That's not a problem because we'll create them for you in your name. You own them. Remember, we take care of everything. You just keep running your business and our team will take care of all of this for you. That's on our plate, not yours. And I'm getting a flash here. A person just wrote here, thank God. Yeah, we'll take all that on for you. So don't worry about it. And the results are going to be great. But guess what? There's more. And oh my gosh, this is just going to blow your mind. So you ready? Okay. One of the most powerful strategies our experts perform for you is we use custom-made 5-star review commercials with live actors. You see, we also own a video production company. And these custom videos are the fuel we use to skyrocket your business at a phenomenal rate. Let me show you what I mean, and I think you're going to really love this. Our experts in our video production facilities will produce, direct, and syndicate a custom 5-star review commercial for you every month. These custom videos are hosted by a live actor and are about 60 seconds long and showcase your company along with one of your 5-star testimonials that we've received from one of your customers. They are filmed in a Hollywood-style studio using primetime graphics, animation, and video editors. These review commercials are very important because today's internet users often won't take time to read about you, but they will most certainly always watch a video about you. And they have a huge influence over the buying public's decisions about you because your custom videos make your firm stand out as a professional, substantial online vendor where your existing customers are endorsing you as a trusted vendor. Your 5-star review commercials will absolutely blow away your competitors. Now here, let me show one to you. And let me show you how they look. And note that at the end, we include a call to action for the person watching the video to visit your site and call you. Now let's watch the video.
Our goal is to give everyone a 5-star experience, and it's great to know that our efforts are so appreciated. Here's a fantastic review we're happy to share right now. We're really motivated to hear we've made so many people happy. We work with everyone individually to reach our 5-star service goal. Our approach really is one experience at a time. It's that simple. We work hard to ensure everyone is happy and satisfied with our service, and we will work just as hard for you too. We are glad you had a chance to come and visit us today. Please feel free to ask us any questions.
And check this out. Look where our SEO experts get these videos placed in Google, on page 1 in everybody's face. Isn't that awesome? It doesn't get any better than that. And guys, this is proof that our company really understands what's important for your business, plus we have the skills to make it all happen. But there's more. In addition to getting them placed in Google, our team does several additional powerful things with them. First, they upload them to your website where anyone visiting your site can immediately see them and know that you're being endorsed by your own customers as a trusted vendor. Second, we upload them to your business page in Facebook. Third, we create links to your video from all of the social sites, and then we also upload them to YouTube. These videos are huge public endorsements from your own customers telling the whole world that you are a trusted vendor that's known for delivering quality products and quality services. The power of these custom 5-star review commercials is amazing, and the sales results can come in big and fast. Now, using the chat box, put a number 1 up there if you can see now the power of the videos. Let me take a quick look. Good. Yeah, coming in like crazy. So I'm really glad that you guys are seeing how your company will immediately receive benefits by being seen as a professional, trusted vendor. But we don't stop there. There's a lot more. Watch this.